Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to switch off or power off Oppo phone. In Oppo phone, power off method will be something different from other makes. Okay, to switch off or power off Oppo phone using this side key, that is power key, what you have to do is long press this power key. Okay, long press this power key and interface will appear like this, and here you go to swipe from this white circle to downward. Okay, so from this white circle just slide downward like this and phone will be switched off. See here, in other makes like Samsung, Vivo, it will not be like that. There will be only one button. You go to touch that button, that is you go to touch on the soft key that is displayed after pressing this side key. Okay, but in this case in Oppo phone it will not be like that. You go to swipe down from the middle white circle. Okay, there will be a white circle in the middle. Just from that middle white circle swipe down. Okay, and the phone will be switched off. Okay, in most of the Oppo phone, latest phones, switch off method will be like this. Okay, so in this way you can easily switch off or power off your Oppo phone. Try it out. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.